Creating a contract in version 2 requires that you have FTEs set up. Go to Customers, Customer Maintenance, FTE Administration. In here you need to list all FTE possibilities. For instance, database support, CNC. Each type of FTE needs to be created. For instance, we can say this is an apps support. It's active. It lists at a certain sequence. We can give it a default description, and we can make internal notes for other people creating contracts, and we can give it a default number of FTEs per month. Now we've got 3 FTE masters. Okay, let's create a contract. Go back to Customers, Customer Maintenance, SLA Contracts. Click on Add SLA Contract. Choose a customer. We're going to use our test customer. We say this is the new 2009 SLA. Creation date, let's put a date in there. It starts, the creation date is today. I'm the owner. We're going to link this to a specific contact. Going to say this thing starts the 1st of August and it ends the 1st of August 2010. We're going to write a nice introduction and a conclusion. Then we need to specify a specific FTE rate for this contract. So an hourly rate, let's make it 350. Does the site do we work on 160 hours for an FTE unit? Let's assume this site only works on a 140 hour month. We put in 140 hours. We choose a rate for our senior consultants. We choose a rate for our mid-level consultants and specific rate for our junior consultants. These are all remote rates. And then we have an on-site rate for this contract. We create the contract. Now we've got a contract. Now we need to add body items to this contract. So we go back to Customers, Customer Maintenance, SLA Contract Item. Now we need to add items to the specific contract. We select, this is the one selected at the moment, but we keep in mind you have to select the relevant contract. You choose an FTE master, so we start with CNC support. We give it a new table, SPL CNC expert support. We put this first on the contract and we type a nice description. Then we assign 2 FTEs to this specific contract and we write a few internal notes. For our fellow employees, and we add this item. If we now go back to our customer, our SPL customer, let's just get them down there, and we go look at the SLAs, you'll see the new 2009 SLA is listed down here. To view this contract, click on the ID and the contract is printed as we configured it. Now, of course, the reason why we have all these is so that we can now link monetary values to our reports. For instance, when we have an SLA set up in here, we can go to reports and actually draw values in rand value on our performance and our feedback back on how we're doing. Next up is resource administration.